Welcome back, children. Everybody is safe at home with God's grace. We are back to online class. We are in term 2, right? Okay. How did you enjoy your holidays? Useful? Okay. Welcome back, children. In this term, for the next 3 weeks, we are not going to learn any lessons from your textbook. Okay? Instead, we are going to learn the basic concepts in English. Okay? Now, before we move on to the lesson, are you all happy? Are you ready? Right. Let's move on to the an introductory activity. Okay? Yes. I'm going to show you a few pictures. Okay? Now you are going to name the pictures. Right? Okay. Now let's see the first picture. Oh, it's an easy picture. You can identify it easily, right? What is this picture? Egg. Now the next picture. Tree. What is the third one? Oh, bicycle. The last one is mountain. Okay. Now, as we name any pictures, we used to say a word or a letter before it. Okay. For example, if I say an egg, instead of saying egg, I can also say an egg. A tree, a bicycle, a mountain. Okay. Now why I'm adding a and the? What is this tells you? Did you identify? Yeah. Today the concept we are going to learn about articles. Okay. Do you know what are articles? Any idea? I think you all know. In lower classes you have learnt what are articles. Okay. Now let's move on to the lesson. Okay. There are two types of articles are there. Indefinite articles and definite articles. What are indefinite articles? Let's see. A and. A and are indefinite articles. Okay. Why it is called indefinite articles? Because they can use anywhere. Okay. Now let's see definite article. What is definite article? Definite article is nothing but the. Why it is called definite article? We use this definite article the to a particular person or an object. Okay? That's why the is called definite article. A and an are indefinite articles. Now today we are going to learn the rules where to use indefinite articles and definite article. Okay, are you ready, children? Let's move on to the uses where a is used. Okay, again I'll repeat, a is an indefinite article. Okay, let's see where we can use the article a. Okay, in singular countable noun. What is mean by singular countable noun? You all know what is mean by singular. Singular means one. Countable, I can count. Okay, right? For example, a bag. How many bag? One. I can count. So it is an singular countable noun. Okay, let's see another example. A cat. Again, a cat is an singular countable noun. I can count how many cats are there. Okay, let's see where to use a. In a consonant sound, before a consonant sound. We all know what are consonants. We know there are 5 vowels and consonants are there in English alphabet. Okay. Now, we also use a before a consonant noun, consonant sound. For example, a university. But you all think U is a vowel. But I am telling you, here it is a consonant sound. Why I am saying is because U, that consonant sound U, Y-O-U, U sound. The university word gives you U sound. So we use A before a consonant sound. One more example. A utensil. Okay. Again, utensil gives you U sound. European. Again, U sound. Okay. So before a consonant sound, we should use the article A. Okay. Again, I repeat. The first step, we should use A before singular countable noun. The second rule is we should use A before consonant sound. Okay, children, are you clear where to use A? Okay, let's move on to the next indefinite article, an. Okay, now we are going to learn where to use an. Okay, an is used before vowel. Okay, how many vowels are there? Can someone tell me? Yeah, there are 5 vowels. Can you name them? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, there are 5 vowels are there. Okay, so an is used before vowel. For example, an ice cream. Can you see? Ice cream starts with a vowel I. The next example, an umbrella. Again, umbrella. U starts with a vowel. Umbrella starts with a vowel U. Okay, right. So an is used before vowel, and also an is used where H, the letter H is in silent. For example, can you see an R? We have to pronounce it as R. Here H is a silent word. So in this case, we have to use the article an R, an honest, an honor. Okay. Let's see the second rule where to use an. Okay. Can you see 2 examples I have given? An MLA and MP. Okay. Here these 2 words gives you vowel sound. Previously I told you A is used before a consonant sound. An is used before a vowel sound. So pronounce MLA. Here MLA, it gives you M vowel sound. Okay, so we have to use an before a vowel sound. Okay, so again I'll repeat, an is used before vowel, an is also used before vowel sound. Okay children, are you clear with indefinite articles, where to use A and an? Okay, now let's move on to the definite article. What is definite article? I told you already. Tell me. Yes, the is the definite article. Now we are going to see the uses of the. Where to use the article the. Okay, most of the times you have when you speak, you have used this the before your name. It's wrong, children. I will teach you where we should omit the articles. Okay, so before we learned where to use the article the. Okay, so the first one is we should use the article the before unique things. What does mean by unique? Something very special. Okay, we have a unique one, the sun, the moon, the stars. Okay, so in this case we have to use the. Okay, the next we should use the before a particular person or an object. Okay, for example, the umbrella is in the bag. I am just pointing some particular umbrella. Okay, now look at this picture. In that bag, I am just pointing that particular umbrella. So I am using article the. Okay, so the is used before unique things. The is also used before particular person or object. Let's see the third rule. Superlative degrees of adjectives. We have 3 degrees of adjectives: positive, comparative and superlative. Okay. We will use the before superlative degree. For example, the word shortest. Can you see the word shortest? EST is added. Okay, so before superlative degree we should use the article the. What is meant by superlative degree? In a group of things or per people or anything, we will talk about only one particular thing. For example, Tina is the shortest girl in the class. So I am talking about Tina. So that is called superlative degree. Okay, let's see the next one. The is used before names of newspapers, magazines, geographical areas. What are geographical areas? Mountains, valleys, ocean, seas, river, hills. Okay, so all these are called geographical areas. So we have to use the article the before geographical areas. Okay, for example, newspapers, the Hindu, the Deccan Chronicle, okay, the Himalayas mountain, the Indian Ocean, the Ganges, the Nilgiris, so the Nile River. So all these are geographical area where we should use article the. Okay, so again I repeat, the is used before unique things, the is used before particular person or object, the is used before superlative degrees of adjectives, the is used before names of newspapers, geographical areas. Right, children? We have learnt the rules of three articles, a, an and the. Okay, I hope you all have understood where to use articles a, an and the. Okay, yes. Now, where to omit the articles? What is meant by omission? We should not use articles. We have to avoid articles in such cases. For example, before pronoun. Before proper noun. What is meant by proper noun? Proper noun always have a name. For example, I have a name. You all have your name. Okay, your name is a proper noun. Places, Chennai, India, all these are proper noun. So, in before proper noun, we have to omit articles. We should not use any of the three articles. Right, children? So, before proper noun, we have to omit articles. The next step is, we should not use articles before languages, sports, subjects, days, months, disease, festivals and seasons. Okay, so we have to avoid using articles before these. Okay, right? For example, I have taken few examples. Okay, then it will be clear for you, children. Okay, look at the first example. Okay, dash summer is the best time for picnic. Here, summer is a season. I told you already, before languages, sports, subjects, days, months, disease, festivals and seasons, we should avoid articles. Okay, so here there is no article. Right? Okay. The next example. It is not easy to learn French. Again, French is a subject. We should not use article before the subject. Okay. The next example. Dash Wordsworth was a great lover of nature. Here again, Wordsworth is a name, is a proper noun. I told you already, before our name we have to avoid articles. So there is no article before proper noun. Okay, one more example. We like to play cricket. Okay, again, cricket is a sports. So before sports we should avoid article. Okay, right, children? So these are the places where we should avoid articles. Okay, now quickly we will just do an exercise. Okay, I have given you few sentences. Now we are going to identify where to use a, an and the. Okay, look at the first sentence. I saw dash movie last night. Okay, here I saw a movie last night. I am not talking about the particular movie. So it's any movie. So a. We are learning English. Again, can you see English, the subject? Here, we should omit articles. Okay, next one. Let's play dash football. Okay, again here football is a sport. So here we have to omit article. The next one is he is dash best student in the class. Can you see best? Best is a superlative degree. Where we should use what article we have to use before superlative? Yes, the. Very good. The last one. I saw dash old woman and dash dog in dash park. Can we fill this sentence? Okay. Come on children. I saw an old woman. Okay, here O is a vowel. The next one. And a dog in the park. Okay. Yes. Very good children. Okay. Now I hope you all have understood where to use the articles a, an and the. Right? Okay. Along with this video, I have attached a PDF children, and you will be taking a Kahoot or quizzes and worksheet or test. Let's enjoy the lesson. Have a nice day. Thank you children.